Welcome, in front of me is a Galaxy XCover 5 and today I will show you how to enable the Talkback on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up Settings, from here select Accessibility and you will find Talkback right at the top, so simply enable it, allow, and
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who...
Now I'll mute it because it's just kind of annoying to me. But basically, in this mode, it reads a lot of the things that are visible on the screen. You basically select things by clicking on them, which Talkback will automatically tell you what's selected. You then double click that area to, well, confirm it. So if you want to, as an example, close the welcome page, you then double click it. Again, close, double click it, and there we go. And as you can see also, because of that, you can't really scroll normally, so you have to use two fingers to navigate through pages. If you want to leave, you just double click it, select it, and then double click it. And again, two fingers to navigate through the entire phone. So now actually we'll go back and disable it. So settings, accessibility, Talkback, and select off, and there we go, and now I can use the phone normally. So this is how you would enable it and also disable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.